Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Here are some FAQs about coffee machines. 1. What is the importance of choosing the right coffee machine? Selecting the ideal brewing system can be daunting, so consulting an expert is recommended when determining which model best meets your requirements. 2. How do I select the best office espresso machine? When searching for an office coffee machine, you'll want to consider both space available and what types of drinks will be served. 3. Is a bean-to-cup coffee machine right for me? Selecting the ideal machine for your requirements depends on a few factors, like how many cups of coffee your team drinks and if you want to offer any specialty coffees. We hope this video was helpful, and if you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.